So Daniela's going to eat a warhead. The first time, I think. How old are you, Daniela?
5.
5.
Second time.
Second time eating a warhead. Is it open?
Yeah.
No, you still need to cut it. Cut it. It's not open yet. Is it open? Careful with the scissors. Warhead time. No, put it in all at once. All at once.
Okay, I heard you, so do that.
You have to leave your mouth closed. Hey, come back. Daniela, come back. Where are you going? Couldn't you handle it? What's wrong?